Hello, my name is Bailey Lampy. I'm here at 5586 Farmington Drive in Oxford at Mr. Christopher Hudson's property, here to do a repair video. As you can see, we have the damaged shingle here. We're going to be using this shingle as our test to determine whether this roof is repairable. I'm going to set up my phone and begin the test video. Alrighty, so I'm going to start by unsealing the surrounding shingles. Alright, the surrounding shingles have now been unsealed. We're then going to start by taking out the nails. Now surrounding shingles. I now have this shingle up. I'm now going to be sliding in this new shingle. The shingle is now in place. I'm now going to be driving the new nails into the shingle. Now, given I have to lift these shingles up at least enough to be able to drive this nail in flush. So you guys can see. Sorry. Putting these nails in the exact same nail holes that they were originally taken out of. Alrighty, you can now see that the new shingle is in. I'm gonna do a quick wipe across just to simulate some time that has passed. As you can see, we have some breaking going on at the top of this shingle. We have some breaking going on the top of this shingle, and we have some breaking going on the top of this shingle. And this is also surrounded by some hail damage that was around. These shingles up top did a little bit better. We have some minor cracking here in this corner. And then this shingle was already like this. And then, as you can see, not all, but some of the shingles did fail this test. And you can see where it's bending at that top break. And that is consistent for these top 3 shingles. You guys notated that there was 10 shingles around the roof that need to be repaired. We just marked up the roof again. There's 27 in total. So the estimate was off by about 17 shingles. You also annotated that there was no hail damage on this roof. I didn't even mark everything, but you can see the spots around. And then obviously these are sweat marks. We have spots around. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic rest of your day.